Chima.
Poto. See your office, yes, you just fine.
Yes, now God. Chima, what do you see wey carry you come my office to do?
No be say they work on your place. Now just so many business wey person dey pursue, you understand? You get one contract wey carry me come this your area. I can't sign some papers for you. You know, I don't pass first stage, pass second stage, and the third stage that dey like this. And that third stage, once the money enter like this, I will make like 5 million profit.
5 million
contract, yes. But then I just contain some kind small thing I need to settle for that third stage. I just need like only 50,000 now. And I don't just do that. I just they pass something, just tell me, sir, check your guy in Poto now. I don't even know say it's all soft like this for you. So since I don't call your place, I beg you go help me for this 50,000. Why would they just settle some kind of thing and give me the contract? You understand?
Chima, you know this 15 don't give person money no be problem. And me, as see me, so I get good heart.
I know you.
And they give people money, but to pay na be the problem.
Leave that one.
Eh?
I don't go for your hand. I don't go for your hand. See, man, I tell you the problem. You dey give people money we won't use and solve problem. But people money won't take do business like me. I want use and do business. I go return your money back now. They go business with this. I go bring and come back. So no worry. Once I do the business, how much be 50,000 inside 5 million? That's my money now. I go settle you now. A small thing. If the business even pull through, me I go even show you how you go do the business. We go dey do it together. No worry.
You sure say you go pay this money back?
If you give me today na first, now if you give me today will be first. Highest before 30th, I go don settle you. Even before that time, you go don pay, I go don settle you. No be a problem.
30th.
Highest.
How much you say with the money?
50,000 now. Just make I just do some kind of thing, collect the contract. I dey tell you. Na sure business.
30th.
30th, you no go pass am. You no go even reach that 30th one I dey tell you. I just wan make a
30th.
30th, you no go pass 30th.
Chima, 30th.
You no go pass. Na me dey tell you.
Chima, no be say the 50,000 no dey o. But the problem is say the amount wey all these people dey use take borrow this money dey different from amount to use take to come pay. E dey easy to borrow but to pay na be the problem. Cause no be tomorrow now this money go come dey cause problem between me and you. I get reason wey make me dey talk.
You no go pass.
Because all my life I dey like to help my friends. Because na so e suppose be. If you see better thing wey dey come for your friend, you help am. Make you but all these people you go help them finish to pay back na problem. You wan go collect money now you go dey turn to fight. Abeg see the money now. 30th Chima.
30th. Poto. Na man you be. Kai yo, you know the forehand. Poto.
Help each other.
Thank you.
Understand?
Like this, you are my Obi Kubana.
Yes.
God bless you.
Chima,
No worry.
30th.
30th. Before 30th, I will not settle you. High years at 30, you no go even reach.
Chima, 30th.
I go different, I go pay. No worry. No be this 50, I go pay.
No
Don't worry yourself, I go pay.
As you don't say, he said 30th.
30th, I go pay.
Chima, 30th. I get this. I get this way they tell you this 30th.
You no go, no worry yourself. You no go reach that 30th.
Okay, no problem. Pop, Chima. Now photo.
Bro. Good morning. Bro, this is what we call the ceremony.
Chima. By this time you still dey sleep.
No, I don't wake, but I just say make I relax, bro.
Hey. You sure say you go fit pay?
I go pay now. That one no be problem. Shebina, yesterday just give me the money. I no forget now.
Hey.
Now the money make you come.
Well, no be because of the money. Now he carry me come. No be the money. You see, my pussycat akamu don finish. Now I go buy the akamu. As I dey come back, so I dey see your house. As I say, I no go just see your house, just waka pass like that. Now I say make I enter, make I come greet you. You understand? I don't say if na you now, if you reach my place, if na you go waka pass. But I no get that kind mind. The one that they get. You understand? That's make I say make I stop, make I greet you.
I appreciate.
No problem. Make I dey go because my pussy now go start to dey cry. So I go quick do the akamu so that thing go fit chop. But you know say na on the 30th.
Shebina, yesterday you give me the money.
Na yesterday.
I don't forget. On the 30th, I will pay you.
Make I dey go before hungry kill my pussy. Hello?
Bros, good afternoon.
Chima. The Chima Raf.
Afternoon, bros.
Good afternoon. Chima 30th. Hey, Chima, you know, say, on the 30th. And na 3 weeks from today. So I just say, make I just remind you. No, because say now call the money, now make me call. No, because the money, now make me take call. I call just to check on you. But at the same time, make you know like say I waste the call. Man, still let you know. You understand?
Bros, I don't forget. I remember saying on the 30th, I don't forget.
No forget, 30th.
Thank you.
Hey, Chima 30th na and this abacha. The enter brain no be small.
Okay. Why this man dey disturb me like this now?
Chima.
Hello, afternoon, Mpoto.
Chima 30th. How you doing na?
I did fine.
You know, say now 1 week na you remain. Say now on the 30th na next week.
I no forget next time.
I like as your mind is dead here. So make I call you, make I remind you so that you no go forget. You understand? So that if you get anything wey you do, so that you go fit do am, God go provide for you, my friend.
Mpoto, thank you. I no forget saying at 30th, now I will pay you the money. I no forget.
Chima.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
I no go even pick him call again. He own done too much. Let me first borrow money.
Yeah, Chima, beg, don't come outside.
Mpoto, this morning,
You don't reach, na today we talk.
not today, boy, too early now. This is early morning.
No, me and you no talk time, oh. We no talk time. And we no talk how we go take. We just talk say now on the 30th you go give my money.
Bros, you get money what I expect you to give me, I go send them to you. This
But-
thing too early now.
No be wetin me and you talk with this now. My pikin selling now don finish. My pikin now don finish. And my wife now sef I need to give her some money wey she go use take go market go buy food stuff for the month. Na that money I take carry take give you. I no want stories. You know say I tell you this thing that time why I dey give you this money.
Bros, no problem.
I ask you this thing. I
Bros.
ask you.
Bro, story not big. I think early morning. In the evening, I go run this money for you. You get money what I expect. If you come in the evening, I go transfer them to you. But you go give me time. In the evening time, the money go enter, I go send them.
You get money wey you dey expect this evening.
Yes!
We go come this evening.
This evening, I go send them to you.
You sure say the money go enter this evening?
This evening, you go enter, I go transfer them to you. Let me first borrow money now. What did they do like this?
You go enter this evening.
I said this evening, the money go enter, I go transfer them to you. Yes.
Chima, I get reason wey make me dey ask this question. Because you know be say something go happen now you go say I be bad person. I get reason wey make me that. You sure say this money go enter this
He go
evening?
enter this evening. I don't tell you now.
Go enter.
Yes. Which one you carry police come because of
Follow me. You're under arrest.
Why did they arrest me like this?
Chima, this thing what they do now for your own good.
How? For my own good.
Yes. Shebi you say the money go enter.
This evening money go enter, I go pay you now.
No wahala. Now make I wan carry you go drop for sale. Make you dey there. So that if the money enter this evening, police go help me collect my money. If they collect my money for me, they go give me. I no wan go there say now you dey for house now. You can't pay the money, come enter. I can't come back. You can't tell me say you don't go pay pikin school fees. Say your wife wey get belle, you use the money. I no wan hear story. Now make I say make police they arrest you. Make they carry you go sell. So that when the money enter, I go see my money collect.
Bros, I no go forget, I go transfer this money.
This thing go help you make you no forget. Now this thing now go make you no forget. This your afro what they see, you go forget. Officer, carry am.
Mr. Man ahead.
Bros, they arrest me because I borrow money.
Na so.